Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 potential altcoins to buy right now. So in the past 24 hours, we've seen some crazy stuff going on, guys. We saw some scams, which we'll be definitely talking about, and some fake news, guys. So fake news with Litecoin. Market is down about 3.7% here in the past 24 hours. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours are going to be Polymath, which is up about 19.88%, trading at 73 cents. Highest volume, like usual, Bitcoin volume is growing once again. Ethereum's volume is a little bit on the lower side, but still doing pretty well. Bitcoin around this 45,000 area, Ethereum around this 3,300 area. Now, we obviously saw a huge pump and then a dump, obviously, this morning because of the Litecoin situation. So what happened with Litecoin? Well, pretty much there was a rumor or a tweet, I guess you could say, that Walmart was going to partner with Litecoin, and Litecoin kind of mooned. So Litecoin literally went from 173 at the open, and then went all the way up to about 237. That's about a $60 gain right there, which is insane. About a 25-30% gain, and then literally right after that, it was announced that this was a lie. Walmart is not partnering with them, and pretty much within the next hour came back to where it was at the beginning. So it just crashed back down. But this caused the rest of the crypto market to kind of be, on the edge. It kind of made it look like crypto was a joke, pretty much. So Bitcoin and other coins that were higher traded actually lower after that crash because of this situation, because of this lie that came out. It was a fake tweet, and that's definitely something that we have to watch out for. So fake news is definitely something we don't like to see on this channel, guys. So guys, before we get into this video and we talk about these 3 altcoins and the rest of the crypto market, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, we just launched a new merch shop, so you guys can check out that link in the description, and there's going to be a link in the comments as well. So check out our merch shop. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description for that as well. So let's get into it. First altcoin on our list is going to be Elrond. So Elrond, EGLD. This one is up about 5.89%. It is trading at $272 per coin. In the past week, this one is up 51.55%. It was trading at around 147 just last week, and now it's performing very well. This is a momentum play right here for sure. In the past month, 97%. We saw it go from about 148 down here at the beginning of September, so it's had some great movement here in the past week or so. In the past year, it is up 1,844%, making great moves. Previous all-time high in here in April was at 239 on April 11th. Obviously, after this, we saw the whole crypto market pretty much pull back down and crash. We saw it come back all the way down here to lows of about $65 or so, even under $60 at one point in June. And then since then, we've made about a 300 to 400% gain. So for anybody that bought that dip, obviously, you were kind of rolling in the money right now, because $1,000 invested into this coin will be worth around $3,000 to $4,000 right now if you would have held from the low to the top right now. Now, we might see a little bit of a sell-off and then another, squeeze on higher. Market cap currently on Elrond is going to be at 5.1 billion. This one has a volume of 642.2 million, and then the circulating supply for this one is at 19.4 million. So this one definitely one that's interesting right now. Lower market cap, obviously, it's around 5 billion, like we said. Now it's obviously not under a billion, but it's still a lot less compared to some of these other coins that are trading at 20, 30, 40, or 50 billion market cap. So this one still has potential for, potential 3x, 4x, 5x in the near future. Maybe in the next 5, 10, 15, or 20 years, this coin could be explosive and continue to go higher and higher. And that's definitely something that we want to watch, because we always want to get these coins before they moon, not after. So, we've all seen that same pattern happen with Solana and many other altcoins, obviously, that boomed on higher. Even Dogecoin we saw at the beginning of this year, it kind of went to the moon, guys. It went from fractions of shares to about 70 cents per share. People were making thousands of percents in a matter of a few months, and that's definitely something that we want to watch on this channel. So Elrond is going to be our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be NEO. So NEO right here is up about 1.38% in the past 24 hours, trading at $49.39. In the past week, this one is actually down 22%. When we saw that crypto pullback, this one never really recovered from that pullback, which is a good thing for us because we're buying at a discount. So here on the 1 month chart, we're down 11%. On the 1 year chart, 124% higher. Now, what we see with NEO is it was trading at $20 last September, went up here in May to highs of over $140 on the May 6th. From $140, we pulled back down to about $25 in July, and then since then we're up about 100%, which is good, obviously, don't get me wrong, but in the crypto market, this one is definitely lagging behind these all, other altcoins that we're seeing that are, going up 200, 300, 400% in the past month and a half. So this one's a little bit lagging behind. We're still, about almost about 200% or so from the all-time high. So, there's still a lot of potential. It would be trading at around a 10 billion market cap. So NEO is still a little bit undervalued right now. It's at a market cap of 3.4 billion. Now volume on this one is at 487.1 million, with the circulating supply being at around 70.5 million. Now NEO is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform that supports applications written in a variety of programming languages. Fees for deploying and running smart contracts are paid with gas, a separate token. So you guys all know about these fees, the gas fees. It's, it's something that destroys us all. We hate these gas fees, but it's a positive thing for the market. So NEO, this one, like we said, still has about a 2x opportunity, maybe even a 3x opportunity just to get back to where it was. And definitely something that we will be watching in the near future to see how it's going to perform and if we'll get back to those all-time high prices. Like we said, a lot of these altcoins are underperforming the rest of the market right now, and they could boom anytime and take off, obviously. And we definitely want to be in it before the crowd and, before it starts to go higher and higher. So NEO is our second altcoin, and then our third altcoin is going to be Monero XMR. So this one is up about 5.7% today, trading at 264. If we take a look here at the 1 week chart, pretty much same pattern as NEO. After that, last week we saw that flash crash happen after the news. It kind of never really recovered back to where it was, and now in the one month chart, down about 3%. 1 year chart, it is up about 185%. Pretty much a copycat of NEO. So highs of 517. Pulled back down to about 183, so under $200, came back up to highs of about 300, which is about a 50% gain only compared to some of these other altcoins, like we said, that are up 100, 200 plus percent in the past month and a half. So Monero and NEO are both underperforming the rest of these altcoins, which is definitely something that we want to keep an eye out on, because there could mean two things. Either this one is not valued as much, is not getting as much attention, or this one is, lagging behind the rest of the market and will continue that boom in the future after it gains some more momentum. So it could be just lagging, a sleeping giant right here. Monero, 4.9 billion market cap, 418.5 million volume, circulated supply at 18 million. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with Monero, Monero is a cryptocurrency focused on privacy. Now, transactions on the Monero blockchain can't be traced or tracked. Monero uses a proof of work consensus algorithm to issue new coins and secure the transactions. So, lower market cap, definitely something we'll be watching. It would not be shocking to see this one trading at a 20 billion market cap, which would give it about a 300% upside in the future. And obviously, just to get back to the all-time highs, we need about 100% plus gains. So that would be very nice to see as well. So NEO and Monero, very familiar, and then we have Elrond, which is already taking off, but they're all pretty much the same type of market cap, around this 3 to 5 billion market cap. But Elrond seems to be the momentum play right now, and the one with the most upside potential, that it's already booming and it's seeing a lot of volume pour in. So Elrond is our favorite out of these three, but they all have their benefits, obviously. So those are the three altcoins on the list, guys. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. Like we said right here, Solana actually coming back up a little bit, up about 3.5%, trading at 166. So we discussed this one, buy the dip opportunity. Litecoin, we talked about this crazy movement that we saw here because of the Walmart situation. But the good thing is it didn't go any lower than what it was before the news happened. So that's a good thing. It didn't really affect Litecoin too much. And any Litecoin holders could have got out at the top and, bought in back at the bottom as well. So Doge, guys, Doge is down about 2.5%, trading at 24 cents right now. Its market cap is around 31 billion. So here in the past week, it's down 23% from about 30 cents after that flash crash. Once again, never really recovered. In the past month, it's down about almost 18%. And then here on the 1 year chart, it is up almost 8,300%. Still making some great moves from 16 cents to 24 cents, about a 50% movement on the upside here in the past month and a half. So it's still lagging. Like I said, a lot of these altcoins are booming a lot higher, and Doge is really not. And that's why we think that Doge is kind of game over for it, because if we see a bear type situation, Doge is going to 10 cents in my opinion and will be worthless. So definitely not a coin that I would be a fan of for the future, even though I know a lot of you meme holders love Dogecoin. 63% buy, 37% sell, 52 typical day hold time. So that's what we see with Doge. Ethereum is literally flat here in the past 24 hours. It's trading at the same area, about this 3,300 area. Now when the Litecoin news came, all these coins started to pump on higher. Ethereum went up to about 3,400, but then instead of coming back to 3,200, it actually went to lows of 3,100 and then recovered throughout the day. So that really damaged a lot of the crypto market. And like I said, it kind of made us look like a joke, because if you can have these pump and dump situations, what else can happen that could cause Bitcoin, let's say, to explode on higher? So, it's not a positive thing when we see things like this. In the past week, it's down 16%, past month 1%, and then on the 1 year chart, it is up 771%. From this 1700 area, we're coming up to about 4,000, pull back down. Now we're going to be looking for more consolidation. We've been trading around this area for about a month and a half now, actually. So we're going to be seeing what's Ethereum going to do for the rest of the year. September might not be good, but we're hoping that October and the rest of the year will be great for crypto. 390 billion market cap, like we said, 72% buy, 28% sell trading activity. Bitcoin flat as well. Same type of situation. It was trading at 44.7 and it went up all the way to highs of about 47,000, pulled back down to 43,000, and then recovered throughout the day, bringing it back to where it was. Now in the morning, actually, this morning we have CPI data coming out, so that is going to be some huge news that could affect the crypto market as well as the stock market. So we'll be watching that very, very closely. The data should be already out by the time this video is up. Now, market cap on this one, 843.4 billion. In the past week, this one's down 14.5%. Fell down from that 53,000 area. In the past month, down 5%. Past year, it is up 321%, bouncing off that 29,000 area, hitting highs at 53, and then pulling back down. Once again, we've been trading around this area for about a month and a half, and we're going to be looking for some consolidation. Bitcoin, 72% buy, 28% sell, 85-day typical hold time. And, this is pretty much what's happening in the crypto space. As you guys can see, everything is pretty much flat or down or up about 1% or 2%. And then obviously we always have these outliers that are up a little bit higher or down a little bit lower. That's obviously something that we see in the market all the time. So guys, what do you think about altcoins? What do you think about these crypto? What's going to happen in the market in the near future? Leave a comment below. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And guys, check out our merch. We just opened up our shop, so check out the merch. Link is going to be in the description. And also, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so before investing, speak to your financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. It is a high risk, high reward type situation. Don't invest into something that you don't understand. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.